You want to sort a column automatically every day. So there's going to be two parts of this I'm going to show you in this video. One part is the sorting, and the second part is creating a trigger that's going to sort that every single day. First thing we're going to do, go to Extensions App Script up in your menu bar. Once this loads, we're going to start creating a function called sort. That will be spreadsheet app.get active spreadsheet. Now, we want to get the sheet by name, and in our case, it's going to be one with a capital S, and then we're going to sort. That's all we need to do. Now, we need to know which column. We're going to do column 2. Hit Command S or save project to drive. I'm going to save this. Now, I can run this right here in this drop-down menu by clicking Run, and let's see what that does. It's going to execute, and it's finished, and now our sheet is sorted going from lowest to highest. If we want highest to lowest, we just have to add a comma false, save that, run it, and let's look here, and now it's highest to lowest. So in fact, we can do true here. True is going to be lowest to highest, and false is going to be highest to lowest. So if we put true there and run as well, look, it's back to lowest. And it's sorting the entire sheet. So if there were extra columns here, it would be sort those as well. It is sorting this first column. Now that we have a function that can sort this how we want, how do we run this every single day? We're going to go back to our app script, go over to the left side and click triggers. On the bottom right, we're going to add a trigger. The choose which function to run. If you have other functions in this app script, you'll have to find the sort function. But it'll be, if it's the only one, it'll be the only one here. Over here where it says select event source, we're going to do time driven. Scroll down a little bit. Select the type of time driven trigger. We're going to select day timer. And now this is going to happen every single day at some period of time that we choose. We can only choose out of one of the 24 hours, essentially. We can't choose a very specific time for this to run every day. Generally, let's do this after business hours, 7 to 8 p.m. And what's going to happen is the very first time this runs, it will be a random time between 7 to 8. But then from then on, it'll be 24 hours after that. So hit save. And now we have a trigger that's triggering this sort function. If we want to delete it, just click these three buttons over here and click delete trigger, delete forever, and it won't trigger. Thanks for watching. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, subscribe here on YouTube to Better Sheets.